on the scrutiny of the parameters set out in para 30 of the impugned judgment, the opinion of the High Court is based on the fact that since the required qualification for appointment to the feeder post did not make any distinction between a diploma holder and a degree holder, and the fact that any of the persons was holding a degree could not be said to be of significance, full stop. Not only that, there was no bar of a higher qualification to the next higher post where both the degree holders and the diploma holders could be promoted, full stop. The requirement of a degree was only for direct recruitment to the post of AEs, full stop. Thus, it was opined that the rules could not say that the experience of a degree holder shall be lesser than the experience of a diploma holder for promotion to the next higher post of AE, full stop. Further, it was observed that the rules could not prescribe a quota for degree holders in the feeder post, as there was no intelligible differentia nor object sought to be achieved by the aforesaid, full stop. The private respondents who are the diploma holders have naturally spotted the aforesaid view, which is sought to be assailed by the appellant's state of Uttarakhand, full stop. The inconsistencies in respect of the principles called out in para 30 of the impugned judgment have been sought to be pointed out by the learned counsel for the appellants, full stop. In this behalf, it has been submitted that subparas 2 and 4 are inconsistent, as on the one hand subpara 2 states that the status of similarly placed persons cannot be altered on the grounds of educational difference, yet subpara 4 states that if only having different educational qualifications are integrated into one, even then it would be permissible to treat them differently on the basis of educational qualifications, full stop. The appellant specifically sought to assail subpara 6, which concluded that if degree holders and diploma holders are both regarded as fit for promotion, no differentiation can be made between them by laying down quota for promotion for each and given preferential treatment to degree holders over diploma holders, full stop. Subpara 8 was assailed as it sought to set for the proposition that once the higher qualification of a degree is not contemplated as a required qualification in the feeder post, full stop. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.